All right, today we're gonna bring a clamp set, and this is pretty much what you get. You get 18 to 32 millimeters, all right, and all the way down to the smallest one, which is gonna be 6 to 12. All right, you get 10 pieces of each, except for the larger one. You get 5 piece, and the 21, 32, 8 is gonna be 5 piece. All right, so 5 and 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, so forth. So I'm gonna set these up in our pool and see how they work. Now these are actually flathead, so just make sure you have a flathead, all right, to twist these out and make sure they tie up. All right, one thing I did, I replaced these plastic ones for these metal ones because they were leaking. See that? They were leaking. Now I got it here on this one, and I got it here on that one, and then here on that one, so it won't leak. Now I have everything working very well. They're not leaking no more. That's because so they're not leaking no more. They're working well, strong, fitting, and let this machine work now. So very good for your pump replacements instead of these plastic ones.